welcome back to my channel. This is Adam from Thirsty Plum Baby. Today we are going to be doing another makeover. So you're seeing here is a vintage trunk that I won from a auction back in February, I believe. I don't really know the origin of this beautiful trunk, so I have no idea where it's from, but it smells old. Can you just look at it inside? I probably need to change this as well because, oh my god, it smells so old. As you can see, they even tape this hardware with this really random tape that is, oh god, okay, that's not right. This is actually restored already because they taped that inside there, so it's probably restored before. Yeah, I have no idea, yeah. So for the plan, we are going to obviously cover all of the hardware first, even though they are rusted and they need a paint. I still need to cover them first to cover the four sides first. I have no idea. I want to go to the front because why not? The light is very bright. I am currently blinding right now. But can you tell me why is this color combination legal back in that time? I don't know what's happening. I don't know why is this royal blue matching this brass, matching this, I don't know what brand that is. It's like a expired matcha color. But anyway, we are going to paint this whole thing white. I tested it, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna cover the whole thing white. This is gonna be a long process. As you can see, there's a lot of damage to this trunk. So I am going to get to work. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end. And comment down below what you would do to a vintage trunk like this, and maybe, you know, give me a suggestion on what I can do next, because I have 3 other trunks sitting in this living room, so I can definitely transform more trunks if I wanted to. But today we're going to transform the ugliest one, which is this one. So let's get to work. So here I have 3 different sizes of the masking tape. So I am going to tape all the hardware so I can paint. I'm not sure how am I going to get into this, but we're going to give it a go. Okay, so I have taped up all the hardwares on the lid, but then I realized, you know what, I can just spray paint the whole thing because, you know, I'm not gonna keep that color because that is not the color I want. So maybe I should just, you know, spray paint the whole thing and just tape off the fresh paint, and then I will cover the hardware with the different colors. Maybe I should do that instead of taping the whole hardware and then I have to remove it and then color that and then tape that, blah blah blah. So I think I'm gonna give it a quick coat of white and then we'll see how that looks. I think this is a bad idea to spray paint inside, so I'm gonna bring it outside and spray paint it outside. This is stupid. Alright guys, so I have moved the whole thing outside because, you know, the film is going to kill me if I do it inside. And it's currently, I don't know, like 5 o'clock outside. So, you know, the sun is going down and it's very noisy outside, so I think I'm just gonna do time lapse for this part, and my friend Haley is going to help me to paint this thing because, you know, I'm busy. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little project. So yes, it took me like no time, basically not just me, I mean like my friend helped me, but it still took me like 2 days, well, because I have a lot of things to do. But this project is so easy because I didn't choose any other colors. Again, I didn't really need to take the frame because I ended up just distress it anyway. So yes, that's how I did it, and it's such an easy project. So go to the flea market, pick up a little trunk and transform one for yourself. I didn't really line inside because I am going to have my plants stand on here instead of inside. But I'm gonna style them for you guys anyway, so you can have a look and just get some idea like what you can do. Because I really like my plants elevated, so that's why I want to use it as a plant stand instead of planter. But that is that, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at thirstyplumbaby, and like this video if you do like it, and go try out this little project. And I cannot wait to see what you've done to your trunk. And now let's roll the styling part.